The amount of companies developing alternate energy sources that go beyond conventional fossil fuels can get overwhelming. So let's concisely consolidate them down into 5 types of alternative energy technology, each represented by a company. Starting things off with first solar, which is continually improving the ability to convert sunlight into electricity, even in challenging environments with higher humidity. Though the real interesting part about this company and the solar industry at large are the broader factors of geopolitics surrounding energy independence, and the manufacture of solar panels using polycrystalline thin film that uses cadmium telluride as the absorption layer versus solar panels based on crystalline silicon modules. However, if you're in one of the many places on this planet that doesn't always get a ton of sunshine, you might be more interested in Gevo. Because they work on commercializing hydrocarbon fuels, namely sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, which they believe is the most economically viable approach for carbon abatement. They focus on converting carbohydrate feedstocks into renewable fuels and materials through fermentation and chemical processing, especially with sustainably grown industrial field corn, an ideal initial feedstock for producing SAF. This approach is a slight deviation from what people normally think of when talking about alternative energy, which doesn't always have to be electric and completely carbonless. So if that's what you're thinking of, direct your attention to Plug Power. Plug is a company that produces hydrogen and provides hydrogen storage and delivery. Perhaps most famously, Plug's fuel cells combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity and heat without combustion. Their hydrogen technology can be used for everything from e-mobility and stationary power to supply chain logistics and industrial applications, though sometimes there's a need for more power urgently. That's where Nano nuclear energy comes in. As the name suggests, it's a company developing portable nuclear reactors not much different in size to a shipping container. The advantages of such an approach is the vast amount of power that can be transported to disaster zones and remote areas. Speaking of remote areas, Ocean Power Technology, OPT, offers what they call power as a service through their managed power platforms, primarily using ocean wave renewable energy for electricity generation. The Next Generation Power Boy, NextGen PB, is OPT's future platform that integrates the mass on spring wave energy converter, MOSWEC, that offers advantages like smaller size, lower cost, environmentally sealed design, and increased energy generation capability. Such platforms can provide autonomous clean power to customers, particularly for offshore data and communication networks requiring constant power supply, meaning they can integrate well with other technologies the company provides around offshore surveillance and data collection. To learn more about OPT and these other companies, check out the individual detailed videos for each of them which have already been uploaded. And for more on other sectors like robotics, the space economy, and electric vehicles, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.